Welcome to Fortune Sujuko. Today I'm gonna refer this video especially for all my Dakan Ilis around the world, okay? You guys been bashing or dribbling my comments saying that I eat mayonnaise with... Are you serious? You speak like that English? Excuse me boys and girls, I do speak English, okay? You guys been bashing me in my comment section, telling me that I'm using mayonnaise instead of cream cheese. Okay, now I'm using the cream cheese and I went to the supermarket because of you guys, okay? I'm pissed off. Just kidding. So now I'm gonna taste the Takis, how it tastes with the cheese. Cream cheese, whatever. To be honest, it tastes so heavy. I don't know. To be honest, you guys should try with the mayonnaise and tag me. Please, I beg you guys. Try with the mayonnaise. This thing is not even hot. Like, what is this, man? This is trash. Take it to the trash, okay?